In 1999, we were at Smith Barney, owned by Citigroup, and that environment really didn't fit what we were doing. I decided to leave Smith Barney.
My father, Rob Fisher, and Mark Feit were two of the founding members of IAG, and they built the foundation of what IAG is today.
I'd like to tell you that it took a lot of marketing expertise, and we did a lot of studying, but it really came from a client, and the customer said, "I really like your information. I love your outlook. I love talking to you. Do we have to do all this trading?"
Price risk consulting didn't really exist. The big brokerage firms only worked with clients as futures commission merchants. There was a void in the market where if someone wanted price risk management consulting, if a firm needed price risk management consulting, it was largely unavailable. So that was the hole in the market that IAG filled in when it was first started.
The core business of IAG is consulting for the agribusiness markets. We advise clients on hedge strategies and managing risk.
The information we provide first is a market outlook, but it's also, it has to be much deeper than that. It involves their strategy and helping them with a strategy that minimizes risk, reduces risk, manages risk in their business.
We provide that research and consulting services to firms all through the food sector, whether it's a large grower, producer, farmer, rancher, handlers, grain elevators, shippers, through food processors, poultry companies, feed mills, flour mills, all the way up to restaurant and retail chains.
We also have clients on Wall Street. They're interested in the commodity markets because some large equities are affected.
So broadly speaking, our clients are anybody who has price risk exposure to agricultural commodities. We define agricultural commodities as all the grains and oilseeds, and then all the proteins.
Every day, we have to sort through a truckload of data, and it changes. What's relevant today is not what's relevant tomorrow. It's not what was relevant yesterday. And then turning that into something that's meaningful to our customers.
Each client is really different.
They want to know, what do they need to do? And are they at risk, one? And two, if they are, what do we do about it?
Whatever information the client needs to make a more informed decision, that's what we're responsible for getting them. And it's not just making the decisions, but it's staying with the position and staying with the decision. So these things become very long-term narratives, as Rob Fisher used to refer to them.
So bottom line, we need to help our customers be more profitable. Help them be more predictable, whether they're being analyzed by stockholders with better and more predictable results, or they're being analyzed by a banker where we can provide them with more predictable results. They both look better.